What up, YouTube? Back again. Nothing gets new. It's a cold one today. It's early. Let's get started. Whew. Let's go get some coffee to get this day started. Alrighty, we got some go-go juice in the Noble Steed. The trusty Noble Steed named Bev. Let's go home and get some work done. Woo, got a shift. Alright, thinking about putting the coil kind of like right in here. I put the tape on there so I can mark it, drill it. We're going to put some riv nuts, but I just kind of want to see where is the best place to put it. Thinking kind of more over this way, but got to make sure that those riv nuts are going to work out where I want it. Where's that hole? Right here is the seam between the cowl and the inner, so I got to make sure I either hit it above or below it is the only thing. That's what I'm concerned about. I'm going to grab something to stick down there and see how far it goes. Okay, just going to drill some holes for my riv nut. Pressure. I'm just using that Astro pneumatic riv nut tool. Using it quite a bit on this car. So let's pull the tape off this. There, right there. Looking good and looking good. Alright. Got that one in there. Absolutely love riv nuts. Game changer, I'll tell you that. Alright, I like it. Okay. Got that bad boy mounted up in there. Scrape a little bit of this paint and shit off it. Let's scrape a little bit of this stuff off of here. I knew it! I knew it! Well, let's get that figured out. Darn it. Well, good thing is, wasn't in there very tight, so came right out. Junk. Yeah, good thing is I had another adapter. Let's get it coated with a little Teflon. I think this is the one I should have had in there in the first place. Well, it definitely feels better. I don't like how long it is though. Alright, that's in there. Ugh. I did get a 45 I'm going to put on there because I didn't want the sensor sitting straight out. I got that little guy right there. I'm going to put some Teflon tape on it. I'm going to screw that in there and get the sensor in there. Okay, got the 45 Teflon taped up. Go underneath. I think I can go one more. Now it's starting to get snug, which we want. That to line up straight up. There we go. Bam, baby. A little Teflon tape on the oil sender. I like it. Let me see what size it is first. $18 on the mini wrench. Screw that bad boy up. Go underneath. I got the headlight buckets rebuilt, polished the rings on it. I got the new headlights installed and kind of had a monkey around. This one I had to drill out and put a new spring for the retainer. Got this side in. Also got the tranny lines installed. If you can see down there, stainless lines. Yeah. Got the horns installed loosely. Everything's just kind of loosely there because the way the grill goes in. And then to run wiring. So we're going to start running wiring on all this stuff. Okay, that's going to wrap it up for this one with Nothing Gets New on Grumps Impala. If you like it so far, please like, share, and subscribe. And we'll catch you on the next one.